Hey crafty people, it's Tasha here for Wow Embossing Powder. We are so proud to introduce Earthly Marvels, a stunning collection with young designer and rising star Brennan Keane. Inspired by nature and emotion, Brennan's thoughtful vision for this collection invites us to explore beauty in every detail and to create with wonder and intention. First, our Pinktastic duo shows us the beauty of contrast, soft and bold, delicate and daring. Whether layered together or used alone, these powders offer a versatile range of pink tones to suit every mood. From serene elegance to bold celebration, this duo captures the full emotional spectrum of pink, a colour that's tender, joyful and full of life. To really get a proper look at these shades, let's create some mega swatches by taking a Wow embossing ink pad directly to some Wow cardstock. Then, when pouring your powder, place some scrap paper underneath to capture all of that excess, and you can then easily funnel it back into the jar. Inspired by the gentle blush of cherry blossoms in spring, Sakura Bloom is a delicate, translucent pastel pink embossing powder, representing softness, renewal, and new beginnings. Pink Sapphire is a rich, opaque fuchsia pink with brilliant vibrancy. Representing joy, love, and abundance, this colour is bold and unapologetic. The collection also contains 4 individual powders, so let's take a look at them. Cool tones of icy blue, silver and soft white meet a delicate shimmer in frosted glacier, conjuring the breathtaking purity of frozen landscapes, representing stillness, clarity and quiet strength. This smoky lavender powder is infused with grey undertones and accented with fine specks of vibrant purple and silver. Dried lavender reflects the subtle elegance of faded florals, gentle, nostalgic and grounding. Mare, Latin for sea, is a translucent sky blue embossing powder, scattered with opaque white flecks, representing serenity, strength, and the ever-changing motion of water. With its deep, translucent navy base and flickers of emerald, violet, and aquamarine, Aurora Borealis mirrors the magical display of the Northern Lights, representing beauty that shines in the darkness. Inspired by nature and emotion, each embossing powder in this release is tied to a meaningful element of the world around us, from water and florals to shimmering light and bold expression. Here's some of the gorgeous inspiration made by our talented design team and guest designers. We're so lucky to have some amazing designers who've created a variety of different styles and projects, from card making to art journals and home decor. The Earthly Marvels collection is available to shop now, exclusively via our UK and US direct websites. It won't be available through any third-party retailers. So let us know in the comments which powder is your favourite. We can't wait to see how you guys create with this stunning collection. We've got even more inspiration and embossing goodness to share, so if you aren't already subscribed, then we'd love to have you join our crafty family. Don't forget to check the bell to be notified whenever we have a new video tutorial. Happy embossing!